Right guys, we're going into an abandoned World War II tunnel. Some say there's news reports that the Queen actually stayed here during World War II in a train. There used to be a railway line here. So this is in Cardiff, by the way. So we're just going to try and get in now. It's very muddy, so if you come down, suggest you wear wellies, well we didn't. So the fat man got through, so the skinny boys are no problemo. There is a sewage pipe, as reported, to walk all the way through. It's very musty here, isn't it? Right, okay. Okay, really it needs some forced ventilation in here, hopefully. So, this is really eerie. I don't know if you can see it on the thing. This is awesome. My boy?
What's that?
Oh, they put them in. I don't know what it is, Reece. It could be for drainage or whatever.
Oh, is your camera look all fuzzy? Yeah.
That's stalagmite shit in the water. They thought it forms, Reece, and then it'll hang from the ceiling or hang upside down or whatever. Okay, it could be anything. Alright James, we need to keep the voice down. Shh. We want to see what's down here. There could be old train, you never know.
What's all down there?
There's fish?
Little fish on the top.
Oh yeah.
I don't see something way down there.
Could be a ventilation shaft. Where you off, Trav? Oh. Come on, we need to do this just in case it's like gas stuff down here. Yeah, but I don't like breathing the dust that's flying around. You think that's mist? I think it's thing. Who the fuck would bring a tractor tyre down here? Go on, Reece, let's go. If you find any reminiscence of a railway line, you know what it's for. I can't believe they've ripped it all up though. What's that? Why? Oh, not on mine, eh? It's misty stuff. Go on, Reece. Yeah, you are. Okay, within a couple of 100 yards. I don't know if you can see that. Look at that. Amazing.
If we look that way, the focus is
I think we're the first people on YouTube to have done this, so.
What's that? Oh, it's water.
Yeah, water. The water's running back, look. Yeah, flowing water. It's flowing, Trav. Well, you can see the end of the tunnel. You have to be quiet then, just in case people are near there. Especially if we want to go further. J. What's that? J. Travis, you're going to have to get on the pipe in a minute. Careful, Reece, because it's wet now and it could be slippery, right? Whoa. The walls are soaking. Yeah.
Yeah, people have gas down here.
There's people's been down here because there's an empty bottle there.
Yeah, I just I actually see
I estimate we're probably about 1,000 metres in now. Into the tunnel. The water's coming down off the walls, look. Make sure you're not, watch where you go walking, because I nearly just fell over, so. Okay, that's storm drain that, isn't it?
Yeah.
From the surface. I can see the end of the tunnel. How big's this tunnel, Trav?
Mile long.
Okay. We're probably a third of the way through. It's one of the cutouts of the wall. This is awesome, isn't it?
Yeah, it's okay. As long as it's not done.
It's a good look though, isn't it?
Yeah, highly dangerous though.
Yeah, highly dangerous. That's why we're not planning on staying. We're going to go. Don't forget, we've got to walk through and walk back. Or if we can get up that way, we will. Isn't it, Trav?
Sorry. That's actually on the wall back, isn't it? I bet you that water's drinkable now.
Well, that.
Would you say, Al?
I wouldn't want to. But if I was dying with thirst, I would have to. But look, there's like iron ore in it.
Oh yeah.
This could go in there.
It's quite clean though, look. And that's that static stuff, isn't it?
I would put my phone over
Look at that, there you go, clean water. Probably storm water, and I wouldn't want to drink it, but unless I was dying of thirst, like I've been on the desert for about 25 years, I probably would. But I definitely wouldn't drink that one. Yeah.
Oh, well, we the first ones to do this.
Dripping from the ceiling and all, Trav.
Yeah, it's nice though. It's kind of cool down here.
Yeah. What? Yeah, that's what I said. What is it? What is it? Oh, okay, let's go. Come on. It don't look like a rat.
That's all just garbage.
It looks like a...
That's a song.
That don't look like a rat.
Ain't it now?
Yeah, that's disgusting. That's rust. Alright, James, keep going. Don't start putting your feet in it.
Alan, don't eat.
Little fish in here.
Yeah.
Alan,
Keep going.
you see that sign down there?
Yeah, that's a tunnel, Reese. The end of
I
it.
think we're the first ones to do this because I want to go and take pictures.
Guys, we're nearly... My films only last 10 minutes long because of the quality, because I've got it in HD. We're nearly 10 minutes in, so this will be part 1. I'll be doing part 2 shortly. We're probably a third of the way. It's supposed to be a mile long.
18, we're at 18.
We're on 18, so what does that mean? 18 what?
No, there's loads of them. 17, 1. It gets higher when we go,
That's a stop valve for the sewage pipe. Hey? Yeah.
What's it?
Told you guys.
It's a water valve to shut the sewer pipe down. Come on, keep going. It could be a massive mains water pipe, not a sewer pipe. Looking at that, it looks like a mains water pipe. Come on, James, keep going. I don't want to be out all night. Right, guys, this is my end of my part 1. I'll be doing a part 2 shortly.